All right, this is the TMY Wi-Fi mini projector. I'm gonna pull down an 86 by 60 screen in a minute and demonstrate this for you. But first I wanted to show you what you get with it. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. So first of all, it says it's a mini projector. This thing measures 9 inches by about 6.5 inches, about 3 inches wide there. Got a little foot on the front here. You can adjust. The screw will come all the way out if you keep going, so you can adjust the the up and down on it here. On the top, we've got a focus button to pull this thing into focus. The farther you get from it, you'll focus it. And it also has a keystone switch on here, which slides the screen like this. I'll show you that. The top of it all, we have all of the buttons you need to control it. And it also comes with a remote control that does everything that's in the top of here. That's a pretty cool feature. The remote, I like having the remote with this. Inside here, we've got a couple different inputs for you. We've got an AV input. We've got a micro SD card input if you want to look at stuff on there. There's an HDMI input, which is cool because you can use this with stick devices like Fire Stick or a Roku. You can plug it right in here and project it. And we've got a USB input and we've got a VGA input in case you wanted to hook this directly to a computer. But the cool thing about this device is that it's Wi-Fi, so you can hook up an iOS phone to it, an iOS tablet, or an Android phone, an Android tablet, or any type of computer that casts. And you can cast your computer screen to it, or you can cast from your phone or your tablet. And I think that, to me, is the ultimate feature in this thing. It comes with a lens cap. You get an HDMI cable. You get an AV cable with an 1/8 inch adapter on one end and the red, white, yellow. So that's audio and video on there. And you get a little cleaning kit with it. A little screwdriver and some big giant swabs. And it came nicely packaged in styrofoam inside of this box, completely protected. Here we go. Let's set this thing up and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I've got an 85 by 60 screen up here. This is about as dark as I can get it since it's daylight in here. That I'm about 5 feet away from the screen right now. Here's the focus button on here, and I can also adjust the keystone setting on here. Just to show you, if I wanted to, I could cast to my computer. There's all kinds of stuff you can do from this settings screen. You got media, you got source, you got the settings in here. So if I'm going to the settings, we got network information. You can change the picture mode if you wanted to, dynamic, standard, change the audio because this does have sound on it, 2 speakers to kick out sound. So you can change the treble and the bass, and we can change the language, all kinds of stuff on here. If we go into Mirrorcast right here, Mirrorcast, you can cast from your phone onto there. So if we go to the source right here, right now I can change it to HDMI, and on HDMI I have my Fire Stick in there right now. Kick it up to about 90.
Come with me to Middle Earth.
Now here's the thing.
Belongs to us. All of us.
All of us.
Get a little idea of the sound. I'll mute it. This is about as far back as I can get it due to the length of the power cable and the location of my power strip. That's about 80 inches across and probably 3 foot deep. You could easily cast this onto a wall or something like that, but picture's pretty good, sounds pretty good, and the room's not even dark, so I'm pretty happy with this. So something like this would be great for indoor or outdoor use, great for your own portable home cinema, great for casting movies or anything from your iOS or Android phone or tablet or from your PC. It can connect directly to many devices, including your Fire Stick and any other stick device. This might even be great in a work setting for a conference room, something like that. So if you're looking for a mini HD Wi-Fi projector with wireless options and many wired options here on the side, check out this one by TMI. Check it out.